A very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to the Day 3 online faculty development program on machine learning in big data applications and security challenges. Today, this task of introducing our keynote speaker, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, Professor of IT and Head Research, Data Science Research Lab, Blue Crest University, Liberia. Of this session, it's a great privilege. We are so lucky that he really find way to be with us today despite of the distance and his hectic schedules. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu received his BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh in 2000. He completed his MTech in Intelligent Systems from the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad and Uttar Pradesh in 2004. He earned his PhD from JNTU Anantapur, India, under the supervision of Professor C.H.D.V. Subbarao. Currently, he is pursuing a double PhD in the scheme of working professional with a specialization in data science at the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. Under the supervision of Professor Anupam Agarwal, Dr. Asadi is also working as a head research and open labs of information technology at Blue Crest University, Monrovia, Liberia, and as a subject matter expert at Deloitte, Delhi. He has 20 years of teaching and industrial experience and served as head of Department of Information Technology at SV College of Engineering, Tirupati from 2007 to 2009. He has 7 IBM professional certifications to his credit, such as RA-RAD, RFT, DB2, RTC, TDS, Lotus, Domino, and WID. He has 2 Microsoft, 3 EDX, 2 TechGig professional certifications, 2 Cybrary micro certifications, 2 Udemy certifications on Python, 2 Solo Learn certifications on C++, 9 NPTEL certifications, and 4 spoken tutorial project certifications from IIT Bombay. His area of interest includes data science, big data analytics, data mining, artificial intelligence, and robotic process automation, cloud computing, pattern recognition, machine learning, and software engineering. He is a professional member of IEEE, Scopus ID, Web of Science Researcher, CSI, ACM, ISTE, IAENG, ISESIT, ICST, SEIEI, VSR, DIJ, NASCOM, ASDF, Meeting Fora, and ICA. He is an editorial board member of iManagers Journal on Cloud Computing, SCIERE Journal of Computers, and International Journal of Advanced Research in Computer Science and Electronics Engineering. He is also an editorial member of Journal of Advances in Management Sciences and Information Systems and an associate editor of the International Journal of Research Innovations in Engineering Education. He is a professional reviewer for Springer Nature, World Journal of Engineering, IEEE, Springer, Elsevier, InterScience, Hindawi, CSI, Journal of Advances in Management Sciences and Information Systems. Data mining and knowledge management, IING and BSRD CSIT. Throughout his career, he has performed various roles of such as HOD, R&D, NBA, BOS, NAC, TEQIP2, 3C, NPTEL, EDC, TGMC, AICTE, SIP, STP, and IBM COE coordinator. He has guided 3 PhD students and 5 students who are pursuing their PhD, as well as 14 MTech and 62 BTech students. He has published over 196 papers, 23 in SCI, 16 in Scopus and Web of Science, with the remaining UGC listed in international journals and conferences. He has attended over 195 workshops, symposiums, and seminars, and he has conducted and acted as a resource person for more than 115 international or national conferences, workshops, symposiums, seminars. He has published 5 textbooks: Data Science Applications using Python Programming, Data Science, Machine Learning Techniques, Methodologies and for Software Testing, with 1 book under review, that is Machine Learning, and 12 book chapters. Additionally, he has obtained 2 patents to his credit. He has received 2 DST seminar grants worth of rupees 1 lakh and 9 lakhs. Some of his publications are listed in digital libraries such as Springer Nature, IEEE Explorer, Elsevier Explorer, Springer Explorer, SCI Index, Scopus, Web of Science, World Journal of Engineering, IGI Global, IJCA, Bookman International Journal, IJIAIS, IGC SNS, JACRIG, DOAG, PDF Digital Library, IJCS ET, IJCS IT, IJAR CET, IJR ARCSSE, Horizon Publication, Helix, IJEEE, CS, CSI, and Cognizance journals. He received the Bharat Vidya Ratnan National Award from the International Business Council, Delhi on December 14, 2018. He also received the Best IT Teacher of the Year award for the state ITAP 2020 from ITAP and Tutors Pride, Hyderabad. In addition, he received the Lifetime Achievement Excellence Award 2022 from Research India Foundation on September 5, 2022. He has received numerous other awards, including Best Mentorship from IBM, TGMC, Challenge Contest, and Microsoft in 2011 and 12, Best SPOC of NPTEL Swayam, Best Spoke of STP IIT Bombay in 2019, and the Best Mentor Internship Award from Internshala AICT Delhi in 2019. He also received the Best International Scientific Research Award from Research India Foundation in 2022 and the Outstanding Teacher Award 2022 for the academic year 2022-23 from Research India Foundation RIF. He has visited many countries including Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, Ghana, Kenya, Ethiopia, Dubai, and Liberia. It was a very great profile, sir, and it's an inspirational profile to all of us, all of the participants over here.